Tessa, what do you think of when you hear the word seagull? Probably the sea, right? Then why are we finding these birds at a frozen lake in Colorado, 1,000 miles from any beach? Seagulls have a wingspan of 67 inches, which is about my height with a hat. A seagull's average lifespan is 20 years, but they can live up to 49 years old. Seagulls are intelligent and use tools. Have you ever seen a seagull drop a clam from a high distance? Seagulls eat fish, but they can also eat mice or other rodents. Now, they aren't the highest on the food chain, as they can be eaten by raccoons, cats, foxes, and even other birds. Now the real question. Why are we seeing seagulls thousands of miles from any beach? Well, it's because they're being pushed out by other seagulls. There's over 50 species of seagulls, and the larger ones often push the smaller species out of these coastal areas because there just isn't enough food.
Hello, welcome to Caston's Fun Facts, and today, seagulls. They usually get their calcium from fish, but when they live in the city, they get it from rodents. Seagulls are very social creatures, and they live in large groups. They can send out different calls to alert each other about food and danger. Seagulls usually mate for life, but they may divorce if they can't produce healthy chicks.
First try.
First try.
Did you know that geese are able to stand on frozen lakes because their feet use tendons instead of muscles? So there's not as much fluid in their legs to freeze, preventing frostbite. Geese have a layer of fat underneath their feathers, and their feathers are waterproof, which keeps them protected from the cold.